Ask any Nigerian driver, and what you will hear is, my car is drinking fuel like pure water. But guys, come, let's be honest. Let's tell ourselves the truth. Sometimes it's not that your car that has that drinking problem. It is you. Yes, you. The way you drive, the way you maintain the car, even all those small problems, all those small issues that you normally ignore. That is what is making your car to chop fuel. But don't worry, I will tell you 3 common things that causes your car to chop fuel and what you can do about them. Number 1, your tire pressure. If your tires are low, it means that your car needs to hustle harder, and that extra hustle will make it consume more fuel. It's simple, just pump your tires properly, and it will save you fuel. That's just it. Number 2, your driving style. Some of you will always drive as if you are auditioning for Fast and Furious or Need for Speed, part 1, part 2, part 3. Continue. Don't worry, your fuel will just finish. Drive smooth, take it easy, drive calmly, and your fuel consumption will be normal. Number 3, your air filter. If your air filter is dirty, your engine will struggle to breathe. And just like you as a human being, if you are struggling, you will need more energy to perform. Change your air filter regularly, and it will cause a big difference in your fuel consumption. You can even check it yourself. If your air filter is black, it means it is time to change it. So guys, try these tips that I've just told you, and you will realize that your car does not really have a drinking problem. And if you're still worried, feel free to bring your car to us and we'll check it out properly. Thank you.
Drive your ambition. Mitsubishi Motors.